Hi, our students. Today I'm going to take you through how to make a GIF, and you could do this for a lot of different reasons. Um, we're going to do it in Google Slides. So let me actually show you where I got this. So in your Google Classroom, under classwork, home assignments week 5 and 6 is this GIF how-to, and it says to watch the video, which you probably already hear if you're watching the video. If you're watching this video about how to make a GIF, you're going to use the attached Google Slides to make your own GIF and then turn it in. So I opened this Google Slide, and it'll make you your own copy, so you can edit right in here. And your GIF is going to be at least 6 slides long. So at this point, I just have to decide what my design is going to be. So let me see if I can change the background of all these at once. So maybe I'm going to go with a black background. And then I want to put some kind of an image in here. So one thing I could do is go insert image and search the web. And I like to search transparent images because then it doesn't have a background. So let's go transparent background bulldog. And then we'll test this out and we'll see if it actually is transparent. So this is, see how there's no background around the bulldog because this turned out black. Maybe I should show you when it's not transparent just to show you what happens if it's not transparent. Let's double down it. So if I just grab any image, see how it puts the whole background with the couch and everything? So it's a lot better if you can find an image with a transparent background like this, because then it looks like it belongs in your slide. Now I'm actually just going to right click, copy this bulldog, and paste it onto my other slide. Now, depending on what you're going to do for your GIF, I could make this bulldog move across the screen, or I could just make him say something. That's kind of up to you. So I'm going to look for a transparent background bubble, maybe. See if that's the right. Okay. And this one's backwards. This one is. Okay, so I'm going to make some adjustments here and move it down. I would like if that bubble is. I didn't know that. Maybe I could just do a thought bubble and try it. Kind of have to mess around and see what works. Okay, and then I'm going to get that thought bubble and on this side. So again, I'm just doing right click, copy, right click, paste. And you guys probably know better than I do, but I think I right click on a Chromebook is just 2-finger clicks on the trackpad. And then I'm going to check each slide and kind of try to make sure that my dog is in the same spot. So maybe put a note on and flip off that. And y'all can spend a little more time than I am to make this everything you want to know correctly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make them say something. I'm going to put a text backslash right here. And mention something better with the and then I copied the text box from the first slide and pasted it in the second slide. And then I'm going to do it again. Copy, paste. Can't decide how to do everything to show up in each frame, and you can mess around with this more. But I also don't want you to have to want it to happen a little bit more. Copy. And this gift might not move enough for 6 slides. Possible that I should add some movement to it. My gift's going to be a little bit boring. It's just going to be the exact same. But if you could find a couple different dogs and make the dog move, or make the dog head bob, or make the dog move across the screen. So right now, mine just goes good. And see you bopping around a little bit, so I should probably make him not do that. Or I could do it on purpose, right? So I could have him here. I'm not going to move the stop bubble surface too long, but you want to move the top on it. And then here. And then here. So you can move stuff on the page, and then not only will he be saying stuff, but he'll move around, right? Okay, mine's a little rough. You can work more on yours, but when I'm ready to save this as a GIF, I want to go add-on, Creator Studio to create a GIF. So add-on, Creator Studio, create a GIF. Video here. And then sometimes depending on what you're doing, like if you're trying to make a Facebook banner or an Instagram post, sometimes the size here, the output width matters. But you would just have to research that. For us, it doesn't matter because we're not trying to make it fit anything specific. This matters though, your interval in seconds. This is how many seconds before your GIF changes to the next slide. I don't know. I'm just going to try 3. And then obviously if I didn't like that, I could resave it and change the interval in seconds. And I'm making an animated GIF, and I'm going to just click go. Once it's done, after you've pressed go, it usually shows up in your Google Drive. And then the full Google Drive. And you should have a folder called Creator Studio. Sorry, I should have this open. So right here, Creator Studio, you should have a folder. and it should show up here. So here we go. Here's my bulldog gift. Some people call him, but there he is. He's moving.